कि you were offered almost every big film that was released, but you accepted none. इसकी क्या वजह है?
Well, not every film. That's like a little bit of exaggeration. There were some of them, yes. But there were different reasons, Amna. सबका एक reason नहीं था, obviously. It's just that I think अगर मैं prime reason I think यही होगा कि none of them, the scripts that I read or heard, they didn't speak to me like that. Like Motorcycle Girl, or I'm not saying that just that film, but the films I have done, few films, JPNA, or the role that I played in JPNA, or what I did in Motorcycle Girl. When I read those scripts and when I heard the idea, like Motorcycle Girl, मैंने script नहीं पढ़ा था. मैंने सिर्फ Adnan had only told me that this is the concept. He sent me a video of Zenith, and he said this is the idea, and I knew he was gonna make it. So I was like, done, yes, locked. Like I didn't even ask him कि script क्या होगा. So sometimes I think there are directors or there's a certain like Nadeem, there's a team that you know you trust that way. I feel I'm not saying that I can't trust. Obviously, you as an actor you have to work with a lot of people, but the specifically the scripts that came to me अभी recent times में I think उनमें से कोई भी ऐसा नहीं था that I felt like this is it or this is something that I want or need to do. हाँ, and उसके अलावा I think we all know this, you will agree with me. जो लड़कियों के रोल्स होते हैं, women जिस तरह के रोल्स हमें ऑफर होते हैं वो बहुत लिमिटेड हैं अभी तक स्क्रिप्ट्स में, और वो जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन ख़वातीन की है ऑन स्क्रीन I think it's problematic और बहुत सारी स्क्रिप्ट्स में वो झलक नज़र आती है मुझे. And I've come to a point where I don't want to do a film just for the heck of staying relevant और just कि ओ इस साल एक फिल्म आनी चाहिए तो कुछ जो आ रहा है वो कर लो. If it doesn't click, then no. So कोई ऐसा hard and fast वो नहीं था कि मुझे नहीं करनी या ये भी नहीं करना वो भी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But it's just that अगर कोई अभी भी कोई ऐसी चीज़ आएगी that I feel like okay yes this is the I'll do it. But we all know this that you know the representation of like girls and women on screen in our cinema even today. It's problematic and there are things and then you point them out and people don't understand and it's very easy for people to say oh she's become exclusive or selective about her work
अब लोग कहते हैं कि ओ मोटरसाइकिल गर्ल कर ली है
तो दिमाग खराब हो गया.
भाई का दिमाग खराब हो गया
मेरा दिमाग तो हर दफा खराब हुआ है.
अगर वुमेन सेंट्रिक फिल्म नहीं मिलेगी तो अब वो
करेगी ही नहीं. That's not. I would love. You know this. I love comedy. I love those mindless comedy movies also. I would love to do a film like that. I mean उसके लिए भी बड़ी conviction चाहिए होती है करने के लिए. I think अब तो और ज़्यादा conviction चाहिए होती है. But even then मुझे कोई problem नहीं है इस तरह की फिल्मों से. And I would love to do like a love story or like a outright comedy.
पिछले साल में कोई एक ऐसी फिल्म आई है which you had thought कि हाँ यार ये मुझे करनी चाहिए थी. Not कि ऑफर हुई कि नहीं हुई, बल्कि यार I wish I had done this.
Cake. I mean I still haven't.
Fantastic film.
Yeah. I think if one of those roles.
Women representation done right.
Yes.
Like Motorcycle Girl.
Yes. That's important.
But you said yes to Surukh Chandni.
Yes.
Which is a social project. And it's about an acid burn victim.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about the character and the story.
She's a survivor though.
Okay. You don't say victim these days, now she's a survivor. Okay.
Yeah. No, but okay, so you're asking the reason why I took it up?
Yes.
So the reason for doing Surukh Chandni, I feel obviously because it's a social topic, it's very prevalent. We keep hearing, हम लोग globally भी सुन रहे होते हैं, हमारे यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, हमने देखा भी है. I mean, I've seen girls, I've seen guys, people. But वो reason obviously था because I feel as an actor थोड़ी बहुत responsibility बिल्कुल आप पे होती है, लेकिन मैं इसलिए नहीं करना चाहती इस तरह के project that I feel that I'm a social worker. अगर मुझे ये सब करना है then
for social change.
Oh yeah, for social change. I mean that's not my primary reason for doing a project like that. For me, I'm an artist. I think first and foremost I'm an actor, and what drives me or what the kind of roles that kind of challenge me in a way that you know I have to, like when I heard that this is the character that I have to play, when Sana spoke to me, Sana Shahnawaz, who's the producer, when she told me that we're making this play and it's about this and this is the girl that you'll have to play, and there was so much that went through my mind and I was like okay, physicality में ज़ाहिर है जो उसका वो सब भी होगा, so obviously it's not going to be a glam role. Other than that, obviously more than anything else, I was like, headspace wise, it's going to be a heavy character. And let me tell you this, when I heard, I thought it's going to be like heavy. I didn't know It
How
was
heavy?
how heavy because अभी recently we were on a अभी हमने थोड़ा सा break, we were resuming shoot next week, but when we were shooting, I would keep telling Sana that listen, I think I can't shoot tomorrow because I can't explain. I think जब play चलेगा and I feel
Yeah, it affects you, right?
yeah, it does.
It does
It
affect
does.
you.
It's not easy. आप switch on, switch off नहीं कर सकते.
Right.
The kind of जो चीज़ें उसमें address हो रही हैं या जो जिस तरह की जो नौयत है हर scene की, वो करने के बाद it's very tough to go home and just switch off and be normal. So I've been struggling with all of that as
Was
well.
it difficult to film as well? I believe बहुत outdoor shooting थी और
Yes. I think मेरा सबसे toughest drama in terms of performance, in terms of look and feel, in terms of everything, in terms of the effort that I have to put in terms of like, I thought, okay, I'm so like, I'll do it and it'll be fun. But when I was doing it, we have a great director, Shahid Shafat, who's amazing. So I would keep talking to him also, and मैं realize कर रही थी ड्रामा जब हम शूट कर रहे थे उसके बीच में कि ये बहुत मुश्किल, like there were moments where I was struggling, where I was like I didn't know how to approach a certain scene, or like I would be unsure, I'd be like what am I supposed to feel here, और इतने उसके also I feel it's मुझसे बहुत opposite है because as a person जिस तरह की मैं हूँ, जो कैरेक्टर में प्ले करी वो बिल्कुल उल्टा है, तो मुझे उसकी वजह से और ज़्यादा कन्विक्शन, आप समझ रही हैं मैं क्या कह रही हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट लाइक दैट, सो आई बी लाइक मैं होती तो मैं ये कर देती, एंड ही इज़ लाइक बट दैट्स द थिंग, तुम ये नहीं हो, दिस गर्ल इज़ नॉट यू, सो इमेजिन that you were this girl and this was happening to you and this was your reaction and this was all that you could do, and that makes me, I don't know, I don't have the, मुझे frustrate करती है वो चीज़, and I'm still struggling with it. I still have, and I obviously people keep like the director keeps telling me that we're still left with like itna kaam, so please like you have to stay connected, and I obviously I try doing that, and I think मैं अपने काम के बारे में बहुत selfish भी हूँ, so I'm connected and all of that, but it's a tough one.
It's a tough one, but we're looking forward to it. I think
I'm very nervous.
nervousness is good, right?
Okay.
Nerves are good.
Okay.
Nerves are good. So, there's no film in the pipeline. I know you're very picky about the people you work with.
Yeah, I mean, in a way, maybe. But no more than that, Amna, I feel it's the script, it's the content, it's when you hear a script or when you read a script, if it clicks, it clicks. Then I don't really care कि मैंने script पढ़ा है नहीं पढ़ा है. अगर मुझे पता है कि these people and this idea or it will be executed like that. Like even at first when I heard Surk Chandni का script, I was very dubious. I was like ये execute हो पाएगा जिस तरह से हम करना, उसके साथ justice करना उसको, just because even today I think एक वो भी चीज़ शुरू हो गई है where people just want to talk about this social change and all these things to sound woke. Or to just get on a bandwagon or be like, हाँ ये तो ऐसे होना चाहिए और नहीं होना चाहिए. Yeah, because it's the new woke thing to do. So वो भी मुझे बहुत problematic लगता है कि किसी चीज़ को sensationalize करना अपने 2 minute of fame के लिए या किसी channel की TRPs के लिए. So वो सब के साथ मैं struggle कर रही होती. But mashallah we have a great team on board, and the director, he's on point with everything. The producer, Sana, she always, tries to make projects that the stories she wants to tell. So, we all connected, and it was
Okay, but this is great, but, we've heard that JPN is coming back with a third.
Is it? They didn't tell me.
So I've heard that there's a JPN 3 in the pipeline.
Oh.
Is there any chance that Zoya will ever come back? Because that's a character we absolutely adored. You didn't think it would be such a big hit, right?
No. I mean, I thought I was playing a character, but yeah, like it's going to be good. But like,
role, Chota Sa, but it was fantastic.
Yeah, obviously because of Nadeem, I did know, okay, this is going to be one big, amazing, well executed.
And it was.
Yeah, and it was, and even the second one. But having said that, I didn't think my character itna wo, like I didn't. Yeah, I didn't think so. And I was, and Nadeem, I keep saying this. The description he gave me was, you just have to come on set and be yourself. And I was like, now when I watch the film, I'm like, do you see me like that? Like this annoying selfie girl? He's like, no, but like, I do these little like gimmicks and things. And no. There was no prep. Like for Motorcycle Girl, there was not, except for the riding, but like there was so much prep because Adnan would keep telling me, so I don't want to see like your glimpse in this character because this is not you, it's poles apart, right? But for Jawani, I just had to go on set and just like have fun. So I had the best time playing that role.
Great,
Yeah.
great. And I hope that we'll see a comeback.
Hopefully, I mean, it's an amazing franchise, and you know, it's a great. It will be a great opportunity if it does. But Abhi, I don't know anything. I don't think they.
So just for our viewers and people who love you and who love Zoya, how about a message as Zoya?
Hi guys, this is Zoya, and all of you need to like keep watching Something Hot because it's like so lit. It's like MAMA.